Here's a quick update to my Axisflying X10 Manta Lite frame. I crashed it. Actually, I lost it in a crash. Found it with my Apple AirTag that I've put in here. And they didn't sell replacement arms at the time, so I went with a different frame. Crashed it, broke it. Didn't really like it. Compared to this has a nice wide body. The other ones that I've seen out there don't have a nice wide body like this. So this one, I've put a few upgrades on it myself. I make these myself from PCB Way. They have a place on their website where someone designed it. You can just order them and then order some surface mount SMD, surface mount device LEDs, and a 50 ohm resistor, solder them on there with a rework gun or a soldering iron, I guess. And you've got race wire, which does help in a crash. Here's the biggest thing I did though. I watched the Chris Rosser video that just came out, and he showed with his AOS 10, 7, and whatever the other one was, maybe 6 or 5, that he's got the antenna is hard mounted, both of them on his. So what I did have a piece of TPU here, and man, it just flippy flopped around and probably caused some issues with noise. So I probably put a piece of heat shrink on here to keep this from jiggling around, because that would create some oscillations as well. I just noticed that. But so I've got the connector going from the back of my OG Air unit down through here, and then it's a SMA bulkhead style mount. And I just drilled through the carbon fiber and mounted it on here. So now I have a hard point attachment, and we'll see how it works. I might even pull out some black box data. I really like this. I wish there was a way to do this without it taking up the space up here in the front. This is where I need to put a GoPro. So until I until I put on a GoPro, I'm not sure where I'll eventually put this. But for now, this makes it so nice to just push the beeper down with this TPU mounted holder. So anyway, just to update, love this frame. Oh, by the way, they sell replacement arms now. So thanks Axis for doing that. This is going to be my 10-inch now because I love it. And you can see I bought this reflective tape. Really helps when you go down in a field and it's hard to find, hard to see. And you can buy this. I buy it from walmart.com. It's super cheap to get a roll. And you may also notice, so in my crash, my big crash, I completely lost one of these Axis motors that it comes with. So I've purchased 2 Velox. The other one was kind of rough feeling. These feel okay, but eventually I want to put these T-motors on. They're just so much smoother, and they seem to be more efficient. I don't know that for certain, but it's one of those cases where I think you get what you pay for. And these are about 50 bucks a piece, whereas these are more in the $20-25 range, I believe, now on AliExpress. I haven't looked that up, but anyway, we'll see how it flies, and I'll let you know.